wake up and feel like your body's here, but your energy didn't show up? It's not just sleep, it's disconnection. We're going to rewire that from the inside out. Let's hit the mat. Start in a tabletop position, extend your right arm forward and your left leg back. Now pause, brace your core, and imagine holding a glass of water on your lower back. This isn't just a stretch, it's a recalibration. I promise this builds deep core stability and balances your left-right movement. No machines, just control. Beginners tap the floor between reps for balance. Advanced stretches, try a pulse or a crunch under the belly. Hold strong for 5 more seconds. Are you shaking a little? Good. Your core is waking up. Let's bring it home on the other side. Now extend your left arm and right leg. Slow and intentional. Breathe into the hold. This move trains your brain and body to work together, especially when your day gets off rhythm. Did you know core control isn't just about abs? It protects your spine and posture too. Five more seconds. Stay steady. That just fired up your foundation. Now let's bring the whole chain. Flip onto your back and lift into a reverse plank. Behind, fingers facing your feet. Squeeze your glutes, push through your heels, let your chest expand. This is your posture reset. Your body will thank you for this later today at your desk. I promise this wakes up the back line of your body like nothing else. Glutes, spine, shoulders, all activated. Beginners bend their knees into a tabletop reverse plank. Advanced stretches, add pulses or leg lifts. Hold for 5 more seconds. Can you press your hips just an inch higher? That just opened your posture. Now we focus in. Back to tabletop. Lift your right knee out to the side. Slow and controlled. This move may look silly, but it builds one of the most important muscles you ignore, your glute medius. I promise it supports your hips, knees, and spine, especially when walking, running, or lifting. Beginners a smaller range with control. Advanced stretches, add a pause at the top. Do you feel it yet? That outer hip should be burning. Breathe through it, then switch. Lift the left knee this time. Keep your shoulders square. Half of back pain is rooted in weak glutes. This is how you fight back. Five more seconds. Can you hold the top for just a moment longer? That just lit up your hips. Now let's give them length. Come to a tall kneeling position. Step your right foot out to the side, toes forward. Reach your right arm up and over, creating a long line through your ribs and side body, leaning to the left. This is where your breath expands again. I promise, this opens the hips, spine, and lungs all at once. Beginners, stay tall. Advanced stretches, reach deeper or add a slide pass. Five more seconds. Can you breathe into your ribs? Now we mirror that. Switch legs and arms. Feel the contrast. You're not just stretching, you're balancing your body's energy. That just unlocked your torso. Now we end with surrender. Sit tall, legs extended. Inhale to lengthen your spine. Exhale as you fold forward. Let your breath lead the way, no force. This is your exhale. This is where effort melts into presence. I promise, this stretch grounds your nervous system, lengthens your hamstrings, and resets your breath. Beginners, bend your knees. Advanced stretches, reach for the feet or pause gently. Can you go 5 seconds longer without holding your breath? You've made it. Body aligned, breath anchored, mind cleared.